Local news for Friday the 18th of October. Martinborough Starfield Observatory Complex and Astronomy Centre opens today. Destination Wairarapa General Manager David Hancock says Starfield is a significant addition to the tourism landscape in Wairarapa. Astrotourism has huge potential, he says, and there is already strong evidence of this elsewhere in the country. The start of spring was a slow one for real estate property sales. Property sales last month saw 24 in Carterton sold, 22 in South Wairarapa and 51 in Masterton. And the Wairarapa Angels Group are a group of individuals who invest in early-stage companies with the potential for rapid expansion. The Wairarapa Angels Group have entrepreneurs who could pitch their ideas to become a reality with the next investment evening on the 14th of November at 3 Mile Co-working in Carterton. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush are away tomorrow to North Otago in Oamaru. The TAB has the Bush Boys as underdogs for the match. And Wanganui, despite being in fourth spot, are favourites to win the Meads Cup. For local news and sport, I'm Brent.